In this GoPro Hero 9 review, I'm going to show you how to unlock the 15 most powerful features so you can decide if you should buy it or not. This year, I've been using the GoPro action camera a lot to capture video footage while biking, hiking, running, and skiing. The beauty of the GoPro Hero 9 is that it has a front screen display so you can frame yourself when you want to capture yourself in the video footage. For example, when I shoot a YouTube story or YouTube shorts, I place the camera in the vertical position and record the video. Here's some footage captured at 4K at 24 frames per second. I typically film with my settings at 4K at 24 frames per second, but I can also do 5K, 2.7K, which is slow motion, and also do 1080p. I can also slow the footage down to 240 frames per second. As you can see in this video, the footage is really smooth even when I'm running. It's even smoother when I'm walking, hiking, or vlogging. I typically hold the GoPro in my hand while I'm walking and just record the video footage. When it comes to stabilization, I always put it in boost mode so I get the maximum amount of smoothness in my video shots. If you want to get even smoother footage, you can use one of the GoPro mounts, like the handler, the swivel clip, or the selfie stick. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to use GoPro mounts to get awesome action footage. The versatility of the GoPro action camera is that you can pretty much mount it anywhere, on your handlebars, on your ski pole, tree limbs, etc. You can also use the TimeWarp feature to speed up your filming. Just set it to TimeWarp and then press the button on top. If you want to slow down your time warp to slow motion, just push the side button. Now you can see it's at half speed, and so everything that you film will be in slow motion. When you want to change it back to high speed, just push the side button again. To stop, just push the button on top. Horizon leveling means your video footage is always horizontal, even if your camera is not horizontal. Set the lens to linear plus horizon leveling so you get a wide field of view without the fisheye effect and maintain a level horizon in your footage. The beauty of the GoPro is that it's waterproof down to 33 feet, so you can take it with you swimming, surfing, or even scuba diving. When I'm biking, I want to keep both hands on the handlebars and not fiddle with the knobs on the GoPro. Instead, I can use voice commands such as GoPro start recording. If I want to record time-lapse video, I say GoPro start time-lapse. Now it's recording time-lapse video. When I want to stop it, I just say GoPro stop time-lapse. And now the time-lapse recording has been stopped. The other basic GoPro voice commands include GoPro turn on, GoPro turn off, GoPro take a photo. Keep in mind you can remote control your GoPro using the GoPro Smart app on your phone. Wouldn't it be great if you could film yourself or take a photo of yourself without holding onto the GoPro camera? Well, now you can by installing the Quik app on your phone. You simply pair the app with the camera, then set the camera a few feet away from you to capture your video footage or take a photo, then hit the Quik app to control your camera. Alternatively, you can place the camera a few feet away from you, then use the voice commands to start recording or take a photo. If you have a GoPro subscription, you can automatically upload video footage while your GoPro is being charged in a power outlet. Just make sure you have auto upload enabled in your GoPro settings. This will enable you to store all your video clips on GoPro's media library and view them all from your phone or from your computer. The beauty of the media library is that it stores all your video clips in the cloud based upon the date that you captured the video footage. You can also hover over a new video clip, click the three dots, then download it in original quality, in this case 4K, or compressed quality, in this case 1080p, or delete the item from the cloud. If you want to quickly create videos out of the video footage that you've captured, use the GoPro Quik app to create the videos. Here are all the videos that I've created with the Quik app. Simply load all the video clips on the Quik app that you've captured with your video camera, and then you create your video. You tap this icon at the bottom left, select all your video clips, tap the icon at the bottom left again. At the top here it says create new event, so you just tap that and you'll create a new video within a few minutes. The stereo audio quality of the GoPro Hero 9 is amazing. This makes it an amazing camera for vlogging because you don't have to use an external mic. Here's a YouTube story that I captured just using the inbuilt mic. Here's a tip to secure your YouTube account. Doesn't it sound great? Besides capturing awesome video footage, you can also capture 20p high definition photos. You've got regular photo, live burst, and night photo. You can select Super Photo, which automatically allows GoPro to select the best processing to get the best shot. You can use different lenses like wide or linear. You can do a scheduled capture, so you can capture your photo or video duration. You can use a timer, or you can zoom. If you're jumping off something, you can capture up to 25 photos just while you're in the air. With scheduled capture, you can schedule the start time in advance of the shot. So if you want to schedule the start time of a sunrise without being there, you can just set the time that the sunrise starts. All you have to do is tap scheduled capture to turn it on, then select the hour and minutes that you wish to capture your video footage. With duration capture, you can set how long you want your camera to record before it stops recording. You can set it for 15 seconds, 3 hours, or even no limit. Just set the duration for how long you want to record. I just want to let you know about a couple of cons about the GoPro Hero 9 camera that can be annoying but are not game changers. One is overheating, like when you're capturing 4K or 5K video footage for a long time, the GoPro camera can overheat. To fix that, just turn the camera off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. The second con is that the GoPro Hero 9 screen is not as responsive as the iPhone 12 screen. The latest firmware update has made the touchscreen a lot faster, so make sure you update the software of your GoPro camera. The advantages of the GoPro camera far outweigh the disadvantages. If you want to capture smooth video footage with a rugged, waterproof action camera that can fit in your pocket or mount anywhere, then get the GoPro Hero 9 action camera. You won't be disappointed and you'll fall in love with it like I did. I'll place a link to the camera in the description below this video. If you want to learn 5 ways to capture cinematic video footage with the GoPro Hero 9 camera, watch a video on the screen right now. You'll immediately know how to get better video footage.